Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Holly here. Today I will be teaching you how to make these adorable candy roses which hide a sweet little chocolate bonbon inside. They make perfect little gifts for someone or even as a DIY wedding favour. Feel free to pause the video at any time and use the chapters I've added to jump back to any step you need. This tutorial is designed for the candy rose template available on my website at flourishly.com with full instructions included. If you love crafting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun and creative tutorials. And if you're ready, let's get started. Begin cutting out the petals, leaves and sepals using the templates provided. Use a paper clamp to keep the template secure for precise cutting. Gently stretch each petal to create an inward curve, giving the rose a natural appearance. For the outer petals, use a shaping tool to add dimension by shaping the back of each petal on one side. Finally, shape the sepals, adding subtle curves to enhance their lifelike look. Start by attaching the chocolate wrapper to the tip of the floral wire. Apply glue to the first inner petal and wrap it tightly around the wrapper in an upward spiral, twisting the petal slightly at the top to form the rose's center. Next, attach the outer petals one by one, slightly offsetting each petal from the previous one. This will build the rose's classic layered pattern. Secure the sepal to the base of the rose's petals, gently gluing them into place. For a polished finish, fold and attach tissue or tissue paper around the base of the flower before wrapping the stem. I use the same crepe paper as the sepal to wrap the stem, but feel free to use floral tape instead. Just choose whatever works best for your candy rose. Your sweet candy rose is all done. I hope you love making these as much as I do. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more fun and creative tutorials. You can also find other flower templates on my website, and also let me know in the comments who you made these flowers for. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!